My name is Brian Lykke Christensen. I'm a business manager at DTI, Center for 3D Printing. My role is sales, communication, but also the technical aspect of visiting companies and finding their 3D potential. Some years ago, when we looked into the AMT technology, we found out that you actually could achieve the surface smoothness that the food industry acquired. Tetra Pak is one of our customers, and they make ice cream machines. So when you eat a lollipop in the summer, it's probably made by a Tetra Pak ice cream machine. Inside that machine, there's a manifold. This manifold in the past was a huge metal part consisting of 32 parts actually. We helped Tetra Pak make design for additive manufacturing, and today Tetra Pak are using us to produce the new manifold, which we 3D print, and today it consists of 2 parts instead of 32 parts, much lighter, much cheaper. So all the plus points from additive manufacturing went into Tetra Pak manifold.